Today we're doing lunch from Sophie's, which is Cuban Cuisine. They have a number of locations, and there's one downtown on New Street, which is closest to my job. And I got the baked chicken with rice and black beans. It looks like they threw some carrot sticks and potato in there. You always gotta make sure you get the green sauce. Sophie's green sauce is really good, and make sure you ask for it if they don't give you any. And I got a side of sweet plantains. Those look really good, and they smell even better. And that's lunch. Looks delicious.